The Palouse region of the inland Pacific Northwest is characterized by its distinctive, dryland, rolling hills and is dominated by grain farming systems. Palouse wheat is used globally in everything from specialty cakes, cookies, noodles, and crackers to artisan breads and pizza crust, while garbanzos are used to make hummus and canola is pressed into cooking oil. However, production of these important crops involves farm management choices that can affect the health and resiliency of air, water, soil, biodiversity, economics, and human well-being. The R.J. Cook Agronomy Farm LTAR site is located in Pullman, Washington. Research is conducted by the USDA-ARS and university partners who work closely with the region's producers to develop research directed towards supporting their production and land stewardship goals by quantifying tradeoffs and identifying synergies. Research findings are emerging on factors that go hand in hand with how land is farmed, including precision farming strategies, applied strategies for remediating soil acidification, optimizing fertilizer use, combating herbicide resistance, determining rates of soil carbon sequestration, and deepening our understanding of the impacts of reducing soil disturbance and tillage on water quality, soil health, and greenhouse gas emissions. This long-term focused work leverages science to better understand the most pressing challenges facing our world's agroecosystems now and for the future.